Hey students, tell me something. Do you think 0 is a rational number? Can you always get numbers in between 3 and 4? Or they just stop somewhere? And what about root 2? Is it just a number or it's a special one? Every day we use different numbers for different purposes in our day-to-day life. When we check time, when we measure height or weight, when we note down temperature, even when we lend or borrow money from someone. Not only this, even when you find out or you measure perimeter, area, circumference of different geometric figures like triangles, quadrilaterals or circles. But have you wondered, are all these numbers same or do different numbers behave differently? Let us know number system from different point of view. Let's start it with natural numbers. Natural numbers. These numbers are known as counting numbers. It starts from 1 and goes up to infinity. Whole numbers. It starts from 0 and includes all the natural numbers and it also goes up to infinity. 0 represents the smallest whole number. Before 0 there exists no positive number. 0 represents emptiness and also 0 helps to expand the number line. Next number is integers. Integers has no starting point. Integers includes negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. What is the importance of integers in our day-to-day life? Well, integers help us to understand profit and loss. Integers also help us to understand temperature below 0 degree and above 0 degree. Integers never ends. So its central point is 0. One side will get all positive numbers like 1, 2 up to infinity and opposite side we get all negative numbers -1, -2 which also leads us to negative infinity. Next and most important number is rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented by P by Q form, where Q is not equals to 0. Moreover, the common factor between P and Q is always 1. If any number satisfies these three conditions, then that number is known as rational number. Is natural number, whole number, integers, are they rational numbers? Let us see. 2 is a number which is known as natural number. At the same time, 2 also belongs to whole number. And moreover that, 2 is also a positive integer. That means 2 belongs to all these three numbers. Now we have to check whether 2 is a rational number or not. Can we write 2 as 2 upon 1? Yes, we can. Where 2 and 1 both are integers, where 1 which is representing Q is not equals to 0. Moreover, the common factor between 2 and 1 is always equal to 1. So that means all the natural numbers, whole numbers and integers, including zero and negative numbers, they all are rational numbers. That means represent minus 4 as minus 4 by 1. We can represent 0 as 0 by 1 too. Next and most interesting thing is that rational number can be divided into two parts. First part is terminating decimal and second part is non-terminating repeating decimal. Suppose we have 1 by 4. Decimal expansion will be 0.25 and at the same time they are terminating decimals. Now, if I divide that same 1 by 3, you will wonder that you will get 0.333, which will never end. It's a never ending number and it will keep on going. These type of numbers, which are also rational numbers, is known as non-terminating. It is not terminating but repeating decimals. We discussed that we can find out circumference of circle using numbers. Yes. So what is the circumference of a circle? It is twice pi r, where pi is a special number. Why it is special number? Because the value of pi, which is taken as 3.14, which is equivalent to the value of 22 by 7, is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Value of pi can be written as 3.1415926536 and it will keep on going. These numbers cannot be represented as P by Q form. That's why they are known as irrational numbers. What we learned? We learned natural numbers are the numbers which are positive integers and also known as counting numbers. They starts from 1, 2 and goes up to infinity. Along with natural numbers, if we add 0, it becomes whole numbers. Now, with these positive integers and 0, if we add negative numbers, then the set of the numbers becomes integers. Along with these numbers, if we add certain fractions which gives us terminating and non-terminating repeating decimals, then the entire set of numbers will be known as rational numbers, like 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 2 by 5, etc. With the entire set of numbers, if we add root 2, root 5, pi, root 11, etc., then the total set of numbers finally will become real numbers. So, real number can be divided into two parts, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Real numbers can be divided under the two heads. Rational number, again, rational number includes integers includes 0 along with natural numbers. In class 9, we learn about rational numbers and irrational numbers.